Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this crispy okra 65. Super easy, super delicious to make and great side dish or a snack recipe. Super crispy as well. I will show you exactly the tricks and tips how to make this crispy okra 65. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Let's get started. Here I have 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and half a teaspoon fennel seed. And I have 3 garlic cloves. If your garlic clove is small, use a little more than that. 1 inch ginger and 3 to 4 green chilies. But you can add green chilies more or less depending on the taste you want. Now transfer this into a blender or a food processor. Make into a coarse paste. We don't want it to be smooth paste. No adding water, nothing. Just make a coarse paste just like here. And transfer into a bowl. Set it aside. Here I have half a kg of okra or a lady's finger. Now I have washed it thoroughly and dried it completely. You have to make sure it's nice and dry, then go ahead and cut it into a bite-sized pieces. Here I have 1/4 cup of besan plus 1 tablespoon besan, 1/4 cup of rice plus 1 tablespoon rice flour, and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Now to this I'm also adding salt as needed. Just make sure the salt is just the right amount. Go ahead and add the green paste that we prepared. Now using the green paste, there is a little bit of liquid in it. Go ahead and mix them all well together. Once it's all well incorporated, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Don't add more than that. Now go ahead and mix them well. Now as you mix, you will see it's nicely coated to the okra. It will not be completely drenched in the, it's not like a liquid batter, so don't worry about the okra being not completely coated. That's how it's supposed to be. Now here my oil is heating on medium high heat. Now I'm going to fry this on a medium heat. 1/3 of a cup peanuts, raw peanuts. I'm going to fry them until it's nice and brown and crispy. Now here I have 1 stick of curry leaves and 3 to 4 green chilies. Again, fry them until it's nice and crispy. Just cover with anything that to protect so that it doesn't splutter around. Now transfer this into a plate and set it aside. Now in the same oil, medium heat, the oil temperature has to be really nice and hot, but it has to be maintained on medium heat throughout the process. Now I'm gonna add okra as much as it can fit in and cook them by frying until it's nice and crispy and golden. Now the trick here is you don't want the okra to cook on high heat or a low heat, because the low heat will make it too oily and not crispy at all, and high heat will burn it and it will not be crispy. As you can see, it's nice and crispy because I cooked it on a medium heat throughout the process for 10 to 12 minutes. This is a very important step, so just make sure the temperature of your oil is right. Now add the peanut mixture to this, and if you want to sprinkle some salt, go ahead and sprinkle some sea salt and mix it and serve this as a snack recipe or a side dish. You can also preserve this in an airtight container once it's nice and cold, and you can store it for up to 2 days. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.